Asset tagging, creating a new survey. Open up Survey123. Open up the feature layer. Down at the bottom, press on Collect. Go ahead and fill out this form. When you're done filling out the form, go to the right InfraMarker section and press on Start. Select Reader. You want to make sure that your reader is on and in this list, and go ahead and press on the entry. To proceed with the connected Biomark reader, press OK. You're going to want to bring the reader close to the asset tag and press the Read button on the reader. When you come back to the form, the data is successfully added to the form and written to the RFID tags. You want to make sure that the number in the right InfraMarker section matches the InfraMarker ID number. If it does, in the bottom right-hand corner, press on the check mark. Press Send now. You have now completed tagging an asset by creating a new survey.